YouTube. Today we're gonna react to Speed lights fireworks inside his room. Happy 4th of July, everybody who watching this. Hopefully, I don't know who's gonna watch it. Hopefully, you can like, subscribe, man. Yeah, you know, I mean, it's really appreciated for everybody. You know, wait, click that right there. You know, down below there. You know, click. You're not? Oh man, you're lame. You're not gonna subscribe to me? All right, it's all good. I'll let you subscribe. Let's react to this banger for y'all today.
That's actually crazy. Or let's go.
All right.
I got a lot of fireworks right now.
This is Speed, bro. What did happen, man? I saw it in TikTok, man. And
It's like the Pikachu one, y'all.
I searched it in TikTok. I saw a TikTok like a video. I was like, yo, let me react to this.
So I don't think it's
So I'm
that loud.
react to this. What happened? Like the entire thing happened because I only saw a short clip on TikTok. I want to see it with you guys. You know, what I'm saying? Look at me, bro. I'm trying to react with you guys. You know, you should. I don't know why he's doing this. To be honest with you, what did he expect, man? Why did you light it up on your room though? That's funny. I mean, I choose you. What the fuck? Yo! This guy lighted his fireworks under his room. What the fuck? No way. Yo! Yo, what the? Ouch! That shit's loud. No fucking. It spins. It fucking speed. What is he doing? Don't put it there. That's a firework too.
No. No, it's not. It's not. What the fuck is you doing? I didn't know. I thought it was... Stop.
Fucking
Stream out. I didn't...
fucking dumb.
I thought it was the fucking one, bro.
That's a firework. You're dumb. Look at the chat. What the fuck? Bro, he wild. Bro, he's wildin'. What the this firefighters in the too. Like
Firework went out, then it just like went boom. Like I don't know.
bro.
Like it just started going. Look, it's like black stuff in the air right now.
Bro, his fireman say, what the fuck is this guy on, bro? Why do you light it up with firework, bro? Oh my god. What the fuck? That thing spins, bro. What the fuck? That shit, it spins, dog. That's the funny part. It starts spinning. Oh, bro, Fireman's so confused right now, bro. Look at him. This is probably his fucking first time seeing this shit. This motherfucker said, why you light up a firework? Man, this man, bro, what do you need the gadget for, bro? Come on, you already can tell, bro. There's no fire around you, bro. It's just a firework, bro. You good? Don't worry about it, bro. Yeah, this man checking everything. Look at him. He said, what the fuck? He look confused too. He has all his gear. Oh damn, don't drop your gear though. Man, you got look at the chat. It just said layers, bro. It's the chat. Oh man, that's funny, bro. Hey, leave a like and subscribe for this, man. This is funny, bro. Happy 4th of July for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Hey, peace and love, baby. Peace out.